this is a pyramid, right? Generally speaking, in the world of business, who's at the top of the pyramid? The owner, right? You guys think the owner, right? So it's like the owner's up here, CEO, call him whatever you want, upper management, vice president, all this other stuff, right? So I thought about that, and then I thought to myself, we're not really built like this. Like, I'm really not at the top. I don't know how many times I can tell you guys this. I don't perceive myself at the top of this thing. I don't look at the money in the company bank account as my money. I suppose it is. I mean, I guess it is. I own the company, but I mean, I don't look at the money that's in the bank account every day as that's my money. I look at it like it's your money. I'm just in charge of managing it. But honestly, like, you guys hold me accountable for your money. It's your money in the bank account. It's not my money. It's your money that's sitting there, okay? So I don't look at it like this. I look at our company like this. It's an upside down pyramid, and I look at myself as the owner here. I look at Melissa here as the VP, Ian's here as the ops manager, and then you start going into the next line of managers, and then it's, it's managers here, it's employees here, and I suppose I would put customers here, I suppose I would, I think, if I did. But my whole point of this is that I'm at the bottom. Like, I work for you, and I'm not just saying that to you. Like, my job when I walked into this building this morning is, what can I do for you? My whole thing is it's not even so much like I'm beneath, like, you're above me, or I don't even know how to say that, whatever it is. Help each other is my point. Focus on each other. I'll tell you this, Richard Branson said this. I probably should have written this thing down. I'm almost done talking. Richard Branson said, I do not put the customers first. I believe in putting the employees first. Because if you put your employees first, your employees will take care of your customers. But you guys, it's about you though. That's the truth. If we take care of each other and watch each other's backs, I'm just telling you, it's limitless as far as we can go.